In this Excel certification exam, we have the following question. On link worksheet in cell A1, create a hyperlink to cell E2 on the materials worksheet. So on this workbook, we have two sheets, link and material. The materials looks like this. Click on link sheet again. The question is, on A1, create a hyperlink to cell E2 on materials worksheet. Basically, you create a hyperlink here to direct you to materials sheet. So click on A1 and then go to Insert tab, go to Links, a small window pop up like this. Make sure to select Place in this document, and under Type Cell Reference, delete and type E2, and then select Materials Sheet. Click OK. Now you just created a hyperlink, and if you move the mouse, the pointer will change, and then if you click on it, it will take you to Materials Sheet. And if you want to remove the hyperlink, just go back to Link, Original Sheet, and move the mouse until pointer change and right click, remove hyperlink. Thank you for watching.